Greetings, Mental Health Program, Building Resilience for the Society of PPR Gombak Setia by Department of Primary Care Medicine, University Malaya. Group members, Group Leader Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Ashri, followed by members Darmini, daughter of Devan Nair, Ganzian, Muhammad Ilham Fuad bin Awang Muhammad. Background and purpose of the program. The community involved, residents of Project Perumahan Rakyat of Gombak Setia, PPR Gombak Setia. The program trigger started when COVID-19 pandemic occurred, causing a longer in-house stay among residents. There are issues arise that comes from the trigger, for which the two important identified issues are domestic violence and cyberbullying. The purpose of the project mainly to educate and empower the residents to tackle the issue of domestic violence and cyberbullying. Program objectives. Three objectives have been identified. Mainly the first one for community education, followed by to provide support and resources to the community. In other words, to empower them to identify the issues and how to tackle the issues in a proper manner. The third objectives to enhance and solidify medical students' knowledge regarding domestic violence and cyberbullying, creativity and innovativeness. There were initially several COPCs planned in which the first COPC means community-oriented primary care, was planned to be done on, on site in University Malaya Medical Center around October 2020 with the theme of breast cancer awareness. Unfortunately, COVID-19 manifested its second wave, rendering the first COPC to be cancelled. Project postmortem was done, and it was then decided that the following COPCs should be conducted virtually. Hence, the second and third COPC was successfully done through webinar method. SULAM elements implemented throughout the program. Approach. We apply the method of advocacy and research-based to conduct the program. Action. We conduct the program through webinars and distribution of educational posters. In terms of learning, the medical students learn the theories beforehand and have tried to develop clinical questions for which it is parallel to the research-based method approach and to apply the knowledge. Reflection. The medical students have the opportunity to apply the knowledge and intervene the problems on a first-hand basis, thus leading to proper and stronger knowledge comprehension. Impact to the students. The topic has been understood extensively. To the educators, continuous student assessment are able to be done, for which the educators are able to assess students from the very first process of problem identification up to the effort to solve the problems and ended by analysis and assessment of the impact overall. Institution. The resource have been contributed back to the community, mainly medical resources. Community, it interest is sparked throughout the community regarding the topics intervened, and it has in a way leads to sustainability of the program. There are challenges, opportunities, and reward obtained and faced throughout the program. In terms of challenges, there are absolutely lack of face-to-face and human-to-human interaction in view of all the meetings and program were done virtually, online, and through video call. Opportunities. It provides there are windows of intervention when the issues occur. Hence, it is considered as an opportunity for the medical students to come in and apply the knowledge in a way to intervene the problem occurred faced by the residents. In terms of reward, knowledge applied and the knowledge application has helped the residents to solve their problems. These are the two webinars that have been successfully done by the medical students, for which the first webinar entitled Wanita Bahagia Keluarga Ceria under the theme of domestic violence. Second webinar is Wira Cyber under the theme of cyberbullying. It received a very good response from the residents, for which each webinar have been attended by approximately 30 to 50 participants, for which in both webinar, the response and also the participation is well responded by the participants. Acknowledgement. We would like to thank the Department of Primary Care Medicine University Malaya, our supervisor, Associate Professor Dr. Nur Amani, alias Natasha binti Ahmad Tajuddin, and also the program funders, grant by UM Cares 2020 1P, and most importantly, the residents of PPR Gombak themselves. And in conclusion, this webinar, this program of COPC that is conducted virtually is very good and had a good impact not only to the students but also to the other stakeholders. And we hope that this program will sustain and continuously provide impact to the stakeholders. Thank you.